Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 108 in the Allure specification. So this car features 15-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows and a colour reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, but on top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights, there's a speed limiter, the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 7,000 miles. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 82 horsepower, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.